So today we're going to talk about triangle congruence postulates. And basically, two triangles are congruent if all three sides are equal or congruent and all three angles are congruent. So write that down in your notebook. All three sides and all three angles. So there's 6 total things that can be equal. So let me draw an example. So if I have two triangles, let's say those sides are equal, those sides are equal, and the green sides are equal. If all three sides are equal, let's say that's a 90-degree angle, that's a 30, and that's a 60. If all three sides and three angles are equal, we say those are the exact same triangle, or they're congruent. But that's 6 total things we got to show are equal. 3 sides and 3 angles. And you probably just saw me prove, like once you have 3 sides equal, the 3 angles have to be equal. So you only need to prove or show, I forgot the word need to show 3 things are equal. And by things, I mean angles or sides. So yes, it's true there's going to be 6 total things equal, but once you have 3, you know the rest are going to be equal. I'm trying to think of an example in life, like once you have enough information, you know the other stuff's going to be equal. It kind of makes it a little easier. So there's a couple examples. If you know all 3 sides are the same, that's called side, side, side. You know the triangles are equal by side, side, side. You could have an angle first. I'm going to zoom in on these postulates because you want to write these down and draw the diagrams. You could have an angle first. We see that angle tick mark on A is equal to X. Then a side equal, and then a pair of angles, B and Y, and that's angle, side, angle. So I like to just label what I have, and that helps me figure out the postulate. And this one, if I have 2 angles and then a side equal, it's called angle, angle, side. Side, angle, side is the angle is in between the 2 sides, like you see in this picture here. We got a side, then an angle, then another side. So side, angle, side. And we're talking about pairs. So this side matches up with this side, this angle matches up with this angle, and this side matches up with this side. So how many pairs? Once you have 3, you're done. And the last one is hypotenuse leg. We'll talk about that more next week, but basically you have a right angle and 2 sides equal. And we call it hypotenuse leg. We'll get to that next week. Don't worry about it so much now. So the 4 you want to focus on are side, 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 angle, and angle, angle, side, and side, angle, side. Once you do a few examples with me, you'll be like, oh, this is really easy. This shouldn't be too bad today. Oh, excuse me. But there's 2 that don't prove the congruence. So as you can see, this triangle is not the same as this one, right? It looks different. They're not the same size, so they're not the same triangle. And this one has an angle the same, then a side, then another side. So there's an angle the same, a side, and another side, right? That spells ass. Easy to remember. No ass in math. It doesn't work. That's just how I remember it. Mathematically, it just doesn't mean it's going to be the same triangle. So if you ever spell the word ASS, you know that's not equal triangles. The other one that isn't equal is if you have an angle the same, so angle K equals angle H, angle J equals angle M, and angle I equals angle L. If you have angle, 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 AAA is a car company or an insurance company. So that's the other one that doesn't work. That's how I remember it. This is insurance. No, it's like the people that come if your car breaks down. So this is a car company situation. So the two that don't work, to remember them, easy to remember, AAA, doesn't work. And it's a battery. So that's how you can remember it. And another reason that doesn't work, right? I could have an equilateral triangle. All the sides are the same. And all the angles are 60 for an equilateral triangle. But I could have a different size equilateral triangle. And I just showed you that with those little triangle things. So if you have three angles that are the same, right? 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Three angles are the same here, but the triangles aren't the same. So angles don't work. Let's see how we would do this in an example, and then you'll try to on your own. So today we're just going to look at diagrams and figure out which postulate we'd use. So there's side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side. Those are our 5 options. And hypotenuse leg, but it's not going to come up today because I'm not going to do that yet. So in the diagram below are the two triangles congruent. So I look at these triangles and I see what I have equal. So I like to label. So I have an angle the same. I see that. Then I'm just going to go around in a circle, but I'm going to choose to go this way because if I go this way, I don't know anything about that angle. If I go this way, I know something about that angle. So you just want to go in the order where there's stuff already there. So I have an angle the same. Then if I go around the triangle, I notice, another angle the same. And then finally, I see a tick mark for that side. Then I have a side the same. So as I read this, I go around like the circle. So I see it's angle, angle, side. So yes. I'll make this a little nicer. Get the big eraser out. So I would say yes. Triangle, and it's NPM, is congruent to triangle. Now I started with N, so I'm going to start with L because those angles match up, right? The 90s. Then I went to the P, so I'm going to go K. And then I went to M. Oh, and it's the same point, so it's M. So you just want to make sure your letters match up. So the N matches up with the L. Yes, the triangles are equal by, and it was an angle the same, another angle the same, and then a side the same. And that was one we said we could use. Doesn't spell ass, and it's not AAA. So it's yes. So you're going to try the next two in Nearpod, and then I will explain the answers. So if I look at this one, I'm seeing that I have an angle the same, angle B. Then I have a side the same. Then I have this blue side AC the same. And if I read this around the triangle, ASS. So are the triangles congruent? No. ASS doesn't show the triangles are congruent. And remember, congruent means the exact same triangle. Just look at these. They are different triangles. This one is bigger than this one. This one's smaller. So they're not the same. So you could have an angle, a side, and a side the same, but it doesn't mean they're the same triangles. No ass in math. It's my favorite saying. And finally, this was a really tricky one. So if you didn't get this one right, it's okay. Because here's the issue with this one. I have an angle the same, angle M and angle P. So I just say, okay, I got one thing equal so far. Then I have a side the same. That's only two things. And I know I need 3 things to be congruent to prove triangles are congruent. So some of you are probably like, what's the third thing? There's nothing here. I'm talking about pairs. So I got the red angle. The red angle is a pair. So I write A. Then the blue side is the same. So I don't go to here and write another side, another angle. Like I'm talking about pairs. So a third thing is the same in this diagram. Remember, we learned in previous units that vertical angles are always equal. So these are vertical angles. So it's angle, side, angle. So yes, triangle MKN is congruent to triangle. And then again, I started with M, so I'm going to start with P, the blue to K. Okay, so K, and then Q. So just make sure your letters match up, right? The Q are the blank spots, so Q and N is in the same place. Yes, they're congruent by angle, side, angle. So the key understanding that we need to know, make sure you write this in your notebook. How do we know if two triangles are congruent? If we show three sides and or angles are congruent. So we need three things, and it could be three sides, a side, an angle, and a side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, or hypotenuse leg. We haven't really talked about that one yet, but that's another option. So we need to show three things are equal. So if you look at the one we just did, we had to figure out, oh, there's a vertical angle in there for that third thing. So sometimes you could use the diagram to find that missing thing.